So CTSV has got his work cut out for him on this pass. Will has our fastest rear-wheel drive car we've ever seen at a roll race event. And right lane gets the win. Dodge Viper, 168 miles per hour.
Oh man. Man, that was crazy. The Viper just let off and still beat him. So that was nuts. He basically just coasted to the finish line. So he's got more in the tank. Yes. This is pretty much my favorite car. 1800 wheel in and around. Goes by the name of Junkie. This thing is a monster. It is twin turboed and just out absolutely insane. I'm here with the guy that has the Nth Moto 1800 horsepower ACR.
Yeah.
What else?
I'm pretty good friends.
You can't say, right?
No, I can, man. It's Aaron Miller and the Nth Moto guys. It's kind of what I would probably consider their big build.
Yeah.
We still utilize a ton of stock parts in the car. Like, it's still an H-pattern car. It's still got a stock style diff in it. Man, it's got a really similar build to everything else they do. It's just nicer, more robust parts. And I just lean on shit a little bit more, and Aaron's okay with that. We've developed a really good relationship. We turned the car up quite a bit from where most of them are, and it works. The cars responded really well. It's fun as fuck to drive.
I bet. No, it's cool, man. So going back to like what we were talking about though, you've had every single generation, but because I get in this war all the time.
Man, I had a Gen 2.
Like whether it should be Gen 2 or Gen 5. Some people want Gen 2, Gen 5,
okay,
and then they went back to Gen 2 because it's like more muscle car rawness. And
yeah, I don't know that anybody that's actually personally done that.
Oh, really?
I know Gen 2 guys that say they would never want a Gen 5 because A, they probably can't afford a Gen 5, and B, they're just stuck in their ways, you know?
Yeah.
The Gen, like I had a Gen 2 that was a motor car.
Yeah.
We've sprayed it. I hit it with 300 shot. It was a 97 cream pump, or 97 bone stock motor car. Then we put a big Paxton on it, and then we took the big Paxton off and put twins on it. And the entire time I owned the car, I was trying to make myself like it, and I hated it the whole time. Then I had a Gen 4, and it was actually a fantastic car, but it was kind of ugly, and the interior sucked.
That's how I feel about them.
Yeah.
They're kind of like the halfway between like.
It was a half measure. I agree.
And the hood's not the full clamshell.
Dude, the Gen 5, I bought a 2014 white TA, and it messed my head up. Like, it was the greatest Viper ever, man. And we did an air filter, headers, and a 350 plate kit on it. And I raced it for over a year like that. It never tore up anything. Then I sold it because I thought I wanted a Lambo. Bought a Lambo and realized that was a big piece of shit.
Really? Why?
I hated it, man. A Lambo sounds good and looks good.
Yeah.
And other than that, they suck at everything. They ride like shit. They handle like shit. They stop like shit. They accelerate like shit. They just suck. Other than they're beautiful and they sound amazing.
Oh my god. You're like messing with my head. That's what I thought I wanted next. Is I was like, do I get a Gen 5
Now, save
next?
a bunch of money.
Do I get Gen 5 or do I get the Lambo?
I assume you're talking about a G, right?
Which?
The Lambo?
I was thinking probably a Hurricane.
Okay, if you can step up to something like that, then that's worth looking into because they're actually okay, so
I'm thinking like 2-3 years down the road. Like I gotta mess around with the house and stuff. But like 2-3 years, I'm thinking I could probably snag one of these for like 100 once a few of them depreciate. Or get into like a Hurricane or something.
Yeah, the Lambos evolved into what they currently are, and that's a nice car. But the Gs are big pieces of crap.
Really?
The Gen 5, man, is dude, it's still a rowdy, exciting, like experience. Like, you get in this car and you can wreck it.
Yeah.
Like, I love that because the car, honestly, like, dude, we put ice in it once today. Like, it doesn't get hot ever.
Really?
I've never seen it get over 189.
Are you trying to like? Because I hear you like keeping the RPM high. You trying to bring it up to temperature?
What I was doing is getting some heat in the clutch. It's got a carbon multi-disc clutch in it.
And it's got one of those Nth ones in it, right?
Yep. Yeah. So it's just a safety thing. Like, instead of making a hit and it's spinning the clutch, you know, or something like that, I'll just get some heat in the clutch before we go stage.
Got it. What's done to the drivetrain though, like to hold that much power?
It's got a really badass trans and diff in it. It's got a built trans and diff.
The motor? Do you guys open up the motor though?
Yeah, it's got a built motor in it.
Okay.
It's got a stock block, stock ported heads. It's nothing crazy, man. It does make a bunch of power. Like today was that last pull.
Yeah.
I turned it up to probably an honest 1850, something like that, with no ice in the intercooler system, just normal water. As you can see, like just water everywhere.
Yeah.
Honestly, man, like it's hard to just argue. It just flat works. Like it works all the time.
Yeah. That's awesome, man. That's awesome.
I've never even done first gear hits in the car, and that was what we did today. And I was like, all right, we'll just see how it works. Like, yeah, like we were leaving it. We were doing every pull. I basically did 40 to 180 to 185, somewhere in that area.
No, I saw when you ran the CTSV, you just like walked them and then just coasted.
I let off. Yeah.
There's just like almost like messing with them.
Well, there was no need to waste it.
True.
Really great experience.
No,
it's a cool group of cars.
For sure.
Lots of variety and shit like that. Like there's a Subaru with a ranch hand style bumper. That's fucking weird.
I saw your car, that whole like 1320 video when you did the half mile.
Yeah.
And it looked like you were dragging the splitter like all the way down.
It does. Look
really?
how like it's ground down.
Is it all shaved?
Yeah, it's ground down. We fucked that thing up.
Oh my god. No, because I saw just like the half mile. It was just like looked like it was just dragging ass the whole way.
Yeah, it's hooking its ass off, man.
All right, man. Thanks.
Hey, thank you, buddy.
Good luck. Hopefully, break some hearts.
Yeah, man. Whoever wants to grab a line. Y'all have a good time. If you have any more questions or anything like that, need some advice, hit me up.
No, keep in touch for sure.
Yeah.